Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Leviathan V2X. So this is just a RGB, a fancy RGB soundbar. So I got this for my RGB computer. As you guys know, I wasn't a big fan of RGB, but then decided just to make a PC with all the RGB bits, and this was the last concluding bit that I can put on. If you want to look at what my PC looks like, please go in through the shorts. I've got a few videos on it, and the latest one would be the one with the RAM and keyboard as well. All right, keyboard, mouse pad and all that. All right, without further ado, let's get this unboxing started. So this is how it came. It obviously had another box on it, so the boxing was fine. The packaging was really good, liked it, couldn't complain about it at all. Unlike some places. Now, looking at the box, it's quite big and hefty, but very nice. It's got a bit of a little carry thing for it as well. And that's basically it. It's nice and simple, nothing too fancy. All right, let's get this opened up. Look at that. This is what I like to see. So if you guys can't see it, I'll show it to you guys. See how it's got a little pull tab? That's fantastic. Always good to see, because otherwise it's just a nightmare trying to get these things off without just wrecking the whole thing. Now, does this just pull out the whole thing? Yeah, I think it pulls out. All right, so we need to get both ends opened. So if you look at this side, it has the same kind of pull mechanics on it. And let's just put this here somewhere. So this is the honest, straightforward way of doing it. Nice and clean. Get that out. Boom. Okay. Now this inside box, to be honest, is what I like. All right. A bit different with the coloring of the fonts, but I like this box. This is minimalistic. This is what should have been on the outside, you know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know why companies have this urge to just blast you with information about what you just purchased. I'm sure if you're spending like $200-300 on something, you know what you're spending it on, you know what I mean? You don't need the information on there, oh, this is what it does and rah rah. No longer is it like, that used to be kind of okay when people used to shop in a store and they had no idea and they were comparing two things. But these days you compare everything online. You know what you're going to purchase. All right, so in here, it's got a few things. PC mode, Bluetooth mode. It's got Bluetooth as well. So it's got positioning as well. Now this also has an option to come with a subwoofer, but I am a dad, so good luck to me having a subwoofer in the house playing video games. I don't even think this is going to be feasible. I've got really good headphones that I use. Okay, what do you get in here? I'm guessing cabling. So you've got a USB-C, nice, very nice looking USB-C to USB-C. That's very nice. Look at that, guys. And this is like a rubbery texture to it. I don't know what this is, but it feels good. All right. What else do we get? I guess warranty and paperwork in this day and age. You get some stickers that you can put on. You got some paperwork with it. I think this is basically it. This is all it requires. Yeah. That's it. That's good to know. That was nice and easy. So Type-C power and audio delivery. Now let's get this big boy opened up. And it's in a very nice soft cloth feeling material. All right. Just open it up like this and slide it out. I think. Do you rip this? That wouldn't be honest straightforward, would it? If you guys are new to this channel, I try not to wreck things when I'm taking it out. As you can appreciate, this is a tiny channel. I fund everything myself. If I don't like something, I will often resell it, or if I can't afford to keep it, I resell it. So that's why one of the main reasons I look after the material that it comes in. So inside is very soft as well, luxurious cloth. Okay, looks very nice. I like it. All right, that is it, guys. No plastic on here. Hey, this is what people should be doing, you know. They shouldn't be having like a ton of plastic on here just to protect it. That did the job, and that's very good. That can be recycled. All right, guys, so this is if you've got any Razer material before, they're very good with this stuff. They always have this to kind of tie up your wiring. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do a review of this, and let me know what you would like me to compare this against. Maybe some headphones, maybe some other stuff. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye bye.